Experience the perfect blend of style and thrill with the 2024 Honda CB300R. This lightweight and responsive machine is designed to excel in real-world riding conditions, offering easy-to-use power thanks to its compact single-cylinder engine. With a chassis that prioritizes precise handling and sporting comfort, the CB300R delivers an exceptional riding experience. In additon, last year's updates brought even more convenience with a gear position indicator on the LED instrument panel. Choose the CB300R for its economic value, premium build quality, and standard anti-lock brakes. Unleash your passion for riding with this impressive and stylish machine. Compact engine. The CB300R's compact single-cylinder engine is a jewel with a free-revving, responsive nature. The engine also works extraordinarily well in real-world road riding conditions, providing plenty of power both around town and out on the highway. Fine-tuned intake and exhaust. The CB300RS engine uses an intake and exhaust designed to reduce air resistance, contributing to more linear throttle response. Underslung exhaust. The CB300R underslung exhaust features a dual-chamber design with the outlet on the right side. The high-flow design contributes to an ultralinear throttle response. Light, strong steel chassis. The CB300R strives for a perfect combination of handling, power, and athletic comfort. Great handling starts with a superior chassis, which is why the CB300R uses a special frame construction designed to be both light and strong. Inverted front fork. The CB300RS inverted fork offers a smooth ride with compliant damping. The supple spring rate is just right for a bike this size. Café style. Taking its styling cues from our CB1000R, the CB300R offers a fresh, contemporary take on the modern street bike. Plus, the lightweight and upright seating make it a blast to ride. Blacked-out hardware. Check out the blacked-out hardware. Subtle touches like these complement the CB300RS traditional meets modern styling. Standard ABS. Our anti-lock braking system, standard on the 2024 CB300R, can be a big help in making controlled stops in less than ideal conditions, like on wet pavement or other compromised surfaces. It's a great choice whether you're using your new bike as a commuter or just riding it for fun, since it helps you stop with added confidence. Efficient design. The CB300RS engine is designed with a minimum number of moving parts. Details like low-friction piston rings, high-density core radiator and iridium spark plug help increase fuel efficiency. And the optimized intake layout helps improve initial acceleration. Comfortable riding position. The CB300RS seat height puts you in an engaged, athletic riding position. You can sit up and see what's going on around you, and you're ready to instantly respond to the road, just like your bike. Counterbalance shaft. Because it features a counterbalancer, the CB300R engine is a smooth runner. You get the narrow overall width and power advantages of a single along with exceptional smoothness. Pricing. In the United States, the manufacturer's suggested retail price, MSRP, is set at $5,149 US. For Canada, the MSRP is to be announced. In Europe and the United Kingdom, the MSRP is £5,099 inclusive of the 20% value-added tax, VAT, and on-road costs. Elevate your riding experience with the 2024 Honda CB300R, a testament to style, performance, and versatility that's ready to ignite your passion for the road. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.